doing some didnt headlights for the s2000. This video got sponsored by my friend. They didn't work for his car, for his G37, so he just gave them to me, so I'm gonna try them on my s2000. I was trying to figure out if I should put them on these ones or these ones, since this one has the little fucking ball in there. This one just has the normal headlight in there. I think they'll look better on this metal one, so I'm just gonna put them on the middle ones. Also, it's gonna be really difficult to install them through the hole right there, so I'm just gonna take out the bumper and remove the headlights. That will be easier to install to put these things inside the housing. So yeah, first I'm gonna have to remove all of these things right here. Take these, whatever this is called, out. So this s2000 has these aftermarket bolts in there. So for this, I'm gonna need one of those L tools. But for a normal one, it's just gonna be a 10mm bolt in there. So I'm gonna start with these top ones. Okay, so I took this out. So now the next part is gonna be some bolts under it. Where are they? Those. It's gonna be all across the front bumper. So just lift up your car somehow and get them out. I think they're gonna be a 10mm too. So once you take those out, it's gonna be another bolt up there. So just take this one out. One on each side. Still going to be a 10. Okay, there's also this one right here. Either a 10 or a crusted UC one. So you don't drop it. Just gonna take this other one out too. I think I should have just taken that one first. Just put it back later on. Okay, so now removing the headlights. It's gonna be 2 bolts right here. I think there's a bracket there. Oh yeah, 2 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3 here, and they were holding that bracket right there. one right here on this hole, and this one. Have to remove them. I still got to remove this one. So there's one more bolt right there. Just gotta get another extension for this shit. Okay, so I ended up disconnecting the headlight housing from the car. Use a cable for the thing, and I put them on top of the bulb, so it wouldn't be noticeable. It's right there, and it was kind of difficult to get it to glue, to stick up there. So use this. Sorry, I use this thing right here for just go like this and stick it in there. So yeah, that shit was kind of difficult, but I got it. So now I'm going to wire it and turn it on, see how it looks during the day, and then later on just wait for the sun to go down and see how it looks once it's dark. Okay, so before I put the bumper back, I'm gonna show you guys how I wire it. Also, it works. Let me turn it on. Just that shit. It's got different things. Right now it's like switching colors. There's one. Now it's off. Okay, so here's the one for this side of the headlight, and from the other side. And this, whatever this is, I just use double-sided tape, taped it right here, and I grounded it right here. The power one goes that way. I use the same color since I don't want to have like a bunch of red wires standing out and shit. And it went under all this right here, and there's the power. So now just put everything back the same way you took it up. Okay guys, just finished putting everything back together. So now I'm just gonna wait till it gets dark, turn them on and see how it looks at night. I can even see it. Just need to get some zip ties for this part right here. Also, this is what's coming up for the Integra. Got a new turbo. Just need to get some piping, but I want to start doing that. So that's what's coming up for this car, just in case you guys were wondering. Okay, stop. So what? Wait, you like too close, man. I need to.
Knowing you would leave this in the video.
I'm not.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. Let me see where I finished. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's nighttime. I'm gonna see how it looks. Turn it on. It looks lit, bro. Different modes. There's a normal one. Different colors. Just control this shit with this controller. the speed up, down. So this is the party mode right here. So yeah, I just want to say thanks to my sponsor for hooking it up with this demon eyes, or what the fuck they're called. So yeah, I'll put his channel too right here somewhere in the screen. Just click on it and go check out his videos and shit. So that's it for today, guys. Click on that shit.